Okay, there are, and firstly, sorry for the inconvenience and sorry for your wasting time. The system has some mistakes. Now let's begin. This is Kevin, and I am very honored here to introduce the Fanvil Intelligent Hotel Industry Solutions, which has the highlight of the cost saving and the high efficiency. Okay, let's begin. Just follow me. I will introduce from 4 aspects: the challenges of the hotel facing and the solutions of our Fanvil, and some global case study, and the last one, the products of Fanvil. The first is the opportunity and the challenge of hotel industry. Under the trend of hotel intellectualized, how to further promote the digital transformation of hotels. And most star hotels have established a relative perfect data network, and the international exclusive network can be used in the hotel. But the traditional communication network in hotel industry is very, very complicated, just like the picture show. It needs many parts to come by to create the whole system. And in the super real network environment, if multi-star hotels can make full use of the existing data network resources to develop the IP voice communication application, then the level of informatization in the hotel will be greatly improved. And the network communication of traditional hotels is still facing the problems of high cost, low efficiency, and difficulty increasing revenue, which has become an important factor restricting the improvement of hotel efficiency. And next, I will illustrate these 3 aspects in detail. The first one is high cost. The cabling for hotel rooms need to install the telephone interface, which increases the cost of comprehensive cabling. And the wiring cost of each telephone in the room is about $65 to $80. And the analog telephone system must be maintained by a dedicated person. And the operating cost of hotel is increasing. And also has the international communications. The communication between various departments of the hotel still needs to rely on the traditional telephone. And the international communication cost of hotel is even higher. The second part is the low efficiency. First is the unable to upgrade. The system of the traditional phone cannot be upgraded because it's based on PBX. And the communication system cannot be connected to the software system, and the quality of the service is poor. Also has the problem of isolated information. The interconnection of multi-systems is difficult, and it's hard to use the information to increase revenue. Not unable to achieve cloud management, and the hotel is difficult to reduce cost and increase efficiency. And the last one is difficult to increase revenue, is also the important one. First is the delimited system. Unable to realize cloud management, and the hotel is difficult to reduce cost and increase efficiency. And also unable to realize a unified platform operation. Difficult for marketing. Marketing presentation is limited by the lack of advertising screens. Not able to compare with AI, and it's difficult to develop broad value-added services. And for the problems, how the Fanvil to solve this? Our solution has the highlight of cost saving, high efficiency, and revenue increasing. We can see from the diagram, the basic of the solution is based on the network, and all the parts of the hotel can combine together based on the network. Like you can deploy the web configuration, IPPX, the phone, the room, the office. You can deploy anything based on the network. And the system features, first is based on TCP IP telephone communication system. IPPX can be deployed on the cloud. And it also supports CP protocol. And IPPX is configured with web page online and simple deployment, plug and play. And also have the highlights of three aspects, just that I illustrated just now. And the next, I will also illustrate the three aspects in detail: lower cost, higher efficiency, and easier to increase revenue. First is the lower cost. Reduce the hardware investment. Support the cloud system, reducing the cost of hardware equipment construction. And at now, the Fanvil has the cloud system of FDMS and the FTPS. It's very convenient to deploy configuration. And the later maintenance is simple, saving time and the maintenance cost. And also no need to build a local equipment room, saving equipment maintenance and the service cost. The third part is the plug and play. Only need to deploy it in a room, and the communication terminal can be used directly by inserting the network cable. And also, no complicated telephone deployment steps, saving line and manpower costs. The highlight to higher efficiency. Unified manage and deploy devices. The cloud managed platform manage all app phones connected to the hotel, facilitating operation and maintenance. View the status of devices in real time to achieve efficient management. And reserve the network port for computer access, easy to use. And also improve hotel operation efficiency. Customers can realize the remote communication by one-click call to the control center. And the internal communication is more convenient, improving the operation efficiency and the service quality. The highlight three, easier to increase the revenue, is the most important highlight via Fox. The first is to provide the intelligent screen. The intelligent screen displays the effective information and provide all-round service for guests, improving the stay experience. Enhance the value-added services, provide food recommendations and other service functions, and increase value-added service capacity by up to 50. And also reduce the cost of internal communication, free communication in the hotel, and effectively reduce internal communication cost by up to 80%. And this is all the highlights of our Fanvil solution. And next, I will just briefly introduce the global case study of our Fanvil. The first one is the American Eden Best Western Hotel, offers a global network of hotels in over 100 countries and territories worldwide. Eden by Best Western is a new contemporary boutique hotel close to the UC Berkeley campus in Berkeley, CA, seeking to meet the services required by the new generation of guests to make their stay more personal and comfortable. And the solution of our Fanvil is to provide a digital workflow for employees and provide wake-up calls, Wi-Fi passwords, D&D room service, toiletries, local weather. And the product of our Fanvil is the X7A Android touchscreen IP phone. The benefit from the solution is to provide high-quality hotel service with digital workflow and improve hotel operation efficiency with unified management. The Belgium Ramadan Plaza Everlea Hotel. It's a modern 4-star hotel conveniently located in the heart of the business district. It offers 210 suite bedrooms and 1,000 square meters conference space, divided over 13 multifunctional meeting rooms for events up to 500 people. Sample international garment style, cuisine or snacks, and a great range of the Belgian beers and whiskies in go-to bar. The solution of our Fanvil is to reduce the cost of the renting the telephone line of aviation telephone system, saving $6,000 per year, and provides a flexible telephone system that is easy to install and maintain. The product of the Fanvil is the H5W. The benefit of the solution is IT managers can manage the telephone system directly without hiring the additional communication professionals. And the number access of traditional phones is transformed into SIP access, saving the cost of communication. And next is in Japan. Kiroro offers owners all the beauty, simplicity, and personal attention of Kiroro Resort, balanced with the private seclusion of a home involves the world's most remarkable sky destinations. Exclusive amenities and unique services are paired with the privilege of owning part of Kiroro. From Sky Valley to Gym, a host of resident services and amenities cater to the alpine lifestyle of those lucky enough to call Kiroro home. And the solution of our Fanvil is to deploy VoIP terminals to 115 rooms, virtualize the VMware communication system, and the product is the H3W. The benefits of this solution is no lines of the phones to deploy in the room, and complete all terminal deployment in one day, saving time and cost. It is very fast. And next is China, Crown Plaza in Hong Kong. It is the first international brand business hotel located in Hong Kong's famous commercial and shopping district. Equipped with the high-tech facilities, Crown Plaza Hong Kong provides business and leisure travels with an ideal quality stay and a comfortable experience. And the solution of ours is to provide unique high-tech communication services and respond quickly to the need of customers, improving the operation efficiency. And the product is the Fanvil touchscreen IP phone. The benefit of the solution is IP phones are connected to smart devices in the room for intelligent control. And it's also easy to maintain and reduce operating cost. Next, the Russia Jamaica Resort Hotel, a new 4-star hotel located in Anapa, Russia, was newly built on the picturesque Black Sea coast in 2019 to welcome thousands of tourists from all around the world every year. Jamaica Resort Hotel is dedicated to providing the most effective hotel service, which makes the customers feel at home. And the solution of our Fanvil is to maximize work efficiency and improve the quality of service. And the telephones in the hotel are integrated with the property management system. And the product of Fanvil is the H3 IP phone. The benefit of the solution is to make a quick response to the requirement of customers. And also, it is easier to realize some long-distance service for customers with better unification of the hotel management system. And there are all some case studies of Fanvil. And the last part, also the important part, is that I will introduce some products of the Fanvil. First is the Fanvil hotel IP phones. We have the H5. The W means that the phone has the Wi-Fi function, has the color screen and support video preview. And the H3, cost-effective and replaceable faceplate, and H2U, flexible installation and emergency call. And I will just briefly introduce the difference between the some types. H2U is for emergency, which can be used in bathroom and the corridor for emergency call. And H3 and H3W has replaceable faceplate. and H5 and H5W has LED display. Both the faceplate and the LED can display hotel information and provide customized services. The next is the Fanvil Enterprises iPhones. We have the X series, larger screen, supported video call, and that has the high-end functions. XU series, and easy operation, multi-screens, and rich functions. The X series, cost-effective and support HD voice and GigBit available. The Fanvil also has the security products like the intercom, the door phone, indoor station, and the public address. It also supports the HD voice, multi-protection, and other functions. Okay, this is all the information I want to share today. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, just ask me. You can ask me the question in voice, or you can write your questions. Anyone has a question? You also can leave a message to me, and I will respond advice. Okay, one customer just asked me, what's the advantage of H5W compared to H5? Okay, the H5W supports the Wi-Fi function, but H5 doesn't support. Okay, wait a moment. My customer just say he missed the webinar. He wanted to do the meeting again at 11 o'clock. And sorry for inconvenience and sorry for the mistakes of the system. I can send you the document of today, and maybe the date will be confirmed by the chart. Oh, sorry, I just confirmed with our workplace. We have the playback of today's meeting. And I will just update the web, update the web page later. Okay, if anyone doesn't have the question, we will end today's meeting. Thank you very much for your patience, and also thank you for attending our webinar. And see you next time. Bye bye.